My name is Mangler. I work for TOLMAR Pharmaceuticals, Inc. I'm the Director of Contracts, Pricing, and Reimbursement. I'm looking forward to bringing best-in-class revenue management system to TOLMAR Pharmaceuticals. One of the challenges we have in the mid-markets is that it is fast-paced, it's fast-growing, but we have less resources to do so, especially with startups or if you're newly established. So we have to manage that limited amount of resource with best-in-class services and solutions so that we can still meet all of our obligations. 'Cause it doesn't matter if you have 4 product NDCs or 100, you still have the same obligations. TOLMAR has a specialty injectable product used for prostate cancer. It's a buy-and-bill product, but there's a lot of contracting with GPOs as well as direct with physician clinics. So to have a solution where we can bring all these different types of data sets in to make sure that we're meeting our contractual obligations as well as reporting obligations is very important. One of the reasons why we picked Modelon on several of the implementations was, I have to say, one of the main things was the user interface. Most of the people thought that was easy to use. Another was a commitment that Modelon staff had. You know, people came out, they talked about, understood the business, what our products were, made them feel comfortable, and really felt like it was a partnership. With a company like TOLMAR, we're out to expand. So for us, we needed to start out with something that was small, easy to implement, quickly to implement. But we also need something that's scalable. We needed to work with a company that could grow with us, so that's why we chose Modelon. Using a software solution to process is very helpful when you have a small staff. For one thing, it's easier to do things like paying GPO admin fees, having all the information collected for you instead of you going through and trying to calculate it yourself. One of the things that was attractive about using Express was the fact that everything was pre-configured to industry best practices. Also, it's good because the SOPs are written, and on larger implementations, most of the time burn is just writing SOPs or trying to get the business user requirements to even set up the configuration. When choosing a software company to handle contract revenue management, it's important that you pick a company that can be a partner with you. As TOLMAR grows, I can see growing with Modelon. Modelon has always had a solution for any of the companies that I work for. The fact that they're scalable, that they're listening to clients, even knowing that mid-sized market could use something like Express. They were one of the first ones to develop something. There's other companies that can cater to smaller companies, but knowing that we're going to be growing so quickly, I didn't think they could keep up, and Modelon could.